All right, hopefully you guys can see all this okay here. So I just bought the Insta360 um, Insta360 X3 action camera. I got this at Costco. So the Costco pack, or what I would say the Costco bundle, is going to probably give you a little bit more than if you were to say, let's say Best Buy or Amazon or something like that. So, and I don't know, I didn't do all the comparing, but I have a feeling that Costco threw a couple of extra things in for the price. At the time of this purchase, I paid $379 plus tax. Hey, kitty, could you stop that? Quit that. Um, I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. So, with this bundle, you are getting a 64 gigabyte memory card, which I don't think normally comes with it. I think that's thrown in. You get this 360 selfie stick, not really a big deal. You get this kind of like neoprene lens cover, which is really nice because this camera, with the lens being on both sides, you're definitely going to want to protect this. This, I haven't opened this. This is just like a soft sheath you can put it in. Comes with this little box here for holding your spare battery. Comes with two batteries. This is my GoPro. So I have a GoPro 8. It also came with two batteries. It has a charging port here, so you can charge your batteries in the camera. This also has a charging port here, which is kind of nice. And I think you can use this to add an external microphone without having to buy anything additional. The memory card, just like the GoPro, it goes in on the side here. GoPro, same kind of thing. It goes right there by the battery, just like it does here. So here is the good and the bad. I'm going to tell you this is basically an upgrade over the GoPro in terms of its overall quality. Let's just put it that way. It does things the GoPro doesn't, but I got to tell you, I'm not impressed. First of all, the way, and this is true with the GoPro too, if you download the GoPro app, you can use your phone to view remotely what the GoPro is video recording. Same with this. Now, I have a relatively new Motorola phone. It's maybe 2 years old. This is an 8-year-old Motorola phone. I could not get the Insta360 app to download to my new Motorola phone. However, with my 8, maybe 9-year-old Motorola phone, it did work. So you are able to view, hit record, hit stop. Here's the thing, and this is one of the main reasons I bought this. The Insta360, what is it called? Like the Ace Pro, the one that's square and bigger, that has a built-in pause button. This does not have a pause button. And that was really one of the things that really pisses me off about the GoPro and pisses me off about this. Why on God's flat earth do we not have a pause button? All camcorders in the past used to have pause buttons. I mean, it saves you so much time in editing. Now, the one major advantage here, and GoPro has it too, but I think GoPro's editing software works a little differently. I think you have to upload everything to the GoPro website, edit it there, and then download it again, if I understand things correctly. This here, with the app on your phone, you can edit on your phone. I have not tried that out. I'm going to try to get some video with this in the next couple of days. I tried it out, and the fact that it doesn't have a pause button, and I had to basically find an old phone to use for the app, honestly, that's already a deal breaker for me. I can't imagine how this is humanly possible that this doesn't work with every Android phone. That just blows my mind. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a rundown of what you get. This was $379 plus tax, so you figure about $400. Two batteries and a case, that's nice. Selfie stick, nice. This I really like. This is a very practical feature. You get the memory card, which does not come with the GoPro. So I don't know what these are. I think they're anywhere from like 10 to 30 bucks. So call it a $20, $30 value kind of thrown in. That's kind of nice. This should have very good image stabilization. The GoPro's is okay, and that's kind of why I bought this at the time, because it had a decent digital image stabilization. This is supposed to be much, much better. So I'm going to try to do some walking around videos in the next couple of days. But I wanted to give you my first impression here. Definitely an upgrade over the GoPro, but I think it's lacking features that it really, really ought to have. Primarily the use, the ease of use of the app, and the fact that it doesn't have a pause button. I think what I'm going to do is the Insta360 Ace Pro, or whatever it's called. I know that has a pause button, and I think it's like $450 roughly. So I'm willing to pay an extra $75 to get that pause button, because I just think it makes a world of a difference. Also, I'm hoping that low light situations are better than the GoPro, because the GoPro is definitely lacking in that department. Every time I film in like a cloudy day or indoors in a museum, this one does disappoint me. It's really only good under very high light or bright scenarios. These should be much, much better. Anyway, first impression unboxing, this is what you get. I think the Costco bundle here is definitely the way to go. If you have a Costco membership or you have a friend that does, I think this is the hookup right now. As prices stand right now, I think this is the best bang for your buck that you're getting. Anyway, see ya.